welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you guys with a fall everyday drugstore affordable makeup look. Like, sis, let's get into this makeup look, okay? I know it's still summer, but I've been on Instagram lately and I've just been seeing everybody just posting and getting ready for fall. Stores switching over to fall. I was recently at Target and they just switched their whole little dollar section already into pumpkins and stuff. So I am all for it. I love fall weather, by the way. I live in Michigan, so it looks really pretty here. And then, you know, we have the apple orchards, the cider mills, the donuts. Like, who doesn't love fall? Okay, the Ugg boots, the jeans, the oversized sweaters. You know, I had to come boyfriend t-shirt with my oversized sweater. But girl, let's get into this makeup look, okay? So with further ado, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and we're gonna get straight into the video. Oh, before we get into the video, cousin, if you're not a part of my family yet, come on, come join the family. Come join the family. Hither. Go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button and ring that bell because you don't want to miss no videos. I'm actually going to be more consistent with my posting, so you do not want to miss out. Okay, so now with further ado, let's get into the video. So we're starting off with a fresh, clean face, and I did go in and do my brows off camera. So now we're just going to go ahead and start with our primer. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Calamine lotion. I got this one particularly from Dollar Tree. You can find it anywhere at CVS, Walgreens, or any place like that. And so I really am liking the Calamine lotion, to be honest. I have makeup primers, and I've even tried the Milk of Magnesia, and I feel like this is way better. So as you see, I'm going to go in with a beauty sponge. These are like the little disposable sponges you can find in the beauty sections at CVS, Walgreens, or the dollar store. And we're just going to go ahead and put a little drop on there and apply it all over our face. Some people like to do this after they've done their eye makeup. Me in particular, I like to do this step now. That way it's drying all the way, and then it just, you know, I don't know, it just seemed better for me when I do it first. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the color C12. I like to use this concealer for my eyelids just to make everything smoother, so we're just going to go ahead and apply that everywhere. And then I'm going to go take my beauty blender. This is the Camo Beauty Blender Sponge by E.L.F. And I am really loving this beauty blender, guys. It is $6. Like, okay, $6. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and evenly spread that all over my eyelids until it's to my liking. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my contour palette, and this one is by BH Cosmetics. This is their medium to deep palette. Oh my god, you guys, I'm just struggling. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And at first I was just going to apply this in my crease, but we're just going to go ahead and take the Real Technique brush. And this is my blending brush by Real Techniques. And we're just going to apply it all over our eyelid. Usually drugstore, I try to keep my eyes neutral and just simple, especially for every day. So we're just going to go ahead and put that everywhere, all over our lids. Okay, so I know this is not a drugstore mascara, but guys, this is my favorite mascara right now, and this is the Tarte Maneater mascara. Like, y'all, this is bomb. Okay, like, get into these lashes. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with my favorite beauty supply lashes. These are the Mist lashes in the number 101. I bought 2 packs and I stack them on top of each other. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these off camera. Okay, so now that we applied our lashes, y'all, these are bomb. So I'm just going to go ahead and fan the glue. And this fan is available on my website. This is my Money Talk fan, y'all, and I love it, period. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in with the Mabaline 16-Hour Superstay Foundation. You guys, this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I'm just going to go ahead and drip a few little piece of dots there on each side of my cheeks, and I like to start with my cheeks first and then work the foundation upward. I don't like to put a lot of foundation on areas I know I'm going to highlight with my concealer because I just don't want it to look so cakey. So we're just going to go ahead and evenly disperse that on our face. And I'm sorry guys, I was on the phone with my boyfriend, but we're just going to go ahead and do what we do and pat that baby in. Okay, period. Y'all, this foundation looks so good, okay? So now I'm about to go in with my concealer. This is by far my favorite drugstore concealer, y'all. I'm so sick. It's almost gone. Like, I had to really squeeze for life to just get this little bit of amount out. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the concealer under my eyes. And I like to use the little applicator that it comes with. And then I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose and on the cupid's bow and blend that all out. Okay, we're gonna look snatched. So now I'm gonna go back in with that camo blender, whatever you guys want to call it, camo sponge, camo beauty blender. It's by E.L.F. and it's only $6 once again, and it's by far my new favorite beauty blender, other than the original beauty blender. Cause look how good we look this. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Airspun translucent setting powder, and this is like $5, and you guys, it smells so bad. So please be careful when you open it. So I like to lightly press in the areas that we had applied our concealer, and I like to do this because I feel like it gives me a really nice natural finish. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and let this bake for a couple minutes. I don't let it sit for long. Okay, so we are back with this, the BH Contour Palette. And I'm going to go ahead and use the same color we used on our eyelid, which is that really pretty taupe looking color. And I'm actually going to mix that with the color right across from it. And this is a contour brush that I bought from Walmart. I bought it about a year ago, and it's by far like one of my favorite brushes for contouring, which is so bizarre. And I like to lightly make upward strokes on my jawline because I like my contour when it's every day. I just like it to look natural, and not like super contoury, if that makes sense. But we're just gonna go ahead and now go in with my nose contour, and we're gonna do the same thing, mix those two colors together. And then we're going to start with upward strokes up our nose. And I like to make a line on one side and then a line on the other side. And then I go back in and blend it out evenly. That just helps me see exactly, where I want to contour on my nose. You guys wouldn't actually believe it, but I got that brush from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the new E.L.F Sheer Tint Finishing Powder. And this one is in the color medium dark. This is a part of their new Beautiful Bare collection, and I actually honestly really love this finishing powder. It's like the bomb.com, and it is super lightweight. So I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques blush brush, and we're just going to go ahead and wipe off all of that setting powder that we had on top of our concealer. You guys, look how good our under eye looks. Like, there's no creasing whatsoever. So now I'm going to go in with the E.L.F stippling brush. This is their small stippling brush. I think I paid $4 for it. It's really inexpensive. So we're just going to go ahead and dab that lightly into our finishing powder and then press lightly in the areas where we had the setting powder from our concealer. And this is really a good hack to bring color back to under your eyes. It actually eliminates no flashback, literally. So now I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kiss lip liner. This is in their color brown. I got this from my local beauty supply. I ran out of Cork by MAC. I know that's not a drugstore product, and I honestly couldn't find a drugstore product, so I just went ahead and grabbed this one. So we're just going to go ahead and line all around our lips to make them pop. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my favorite lipstick, which is by Wet n Wild. It is in the number 914C in the color Mochalicas. It is a really pretty brownish cranberry lip color. It is perfect for every day and, of course, perfect for fall. And yeah, I think I like paid $3 for it. And look how pretty it looks. So pretty. Y'all, this is my favorite drugstore fall lip color. Like, this is my second time buying it, and it was only $3. I love it. So now I'm going to go in with the E.L.F Beautiful Bare Coconut Setting Mist, and this is their new setting spray that I absolutely love. We're just going to spray that over our face, and then we're going to go back in with our Money Talk fan. Period, sis. Y'all, look at this glow. Like, look at this natural matte finish, and I'm just going to fan that setting spray right on in to my skin. Because, baby girl, we done slayed on a budget, okay? Alrighty, this is the finished look. Thank you so much, cousins, for watching. If you really like this look, please comment down below. Also hit that like button. And then if you're not a part of my family, cousin, like, what you waiting on, girl? Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification as well. You do not want to miss any of the dope content that I have coming through. I mean, like, you don't want to miss it at all, okay? So make sure you join the family. And once again, if you missed anything noted throughout the video, I will have all my items and products that I use down in the description box below. And as always, I love you, family, and catch me in my next video.